Good morning. It is Wednesday. I don't know. New Year's Day. All right. So happy New Year to each and every one of you. I am working, of course, because that's what I do. I'm out here. Don't get me wrong. I love working. That's the thing. I love doing this. So it's not a hardship. Not really. Adding in the fact that I have to film it makes it a little bit more stressful, but overall, I enjoy what I do. And that's why I'm doing it out here this morning. It's better than sitting around, right? Anyway, so I'm working on the cabinets for over there. These are the base cabinets with all the drawers. What I'm doing right now is I'm marking out the side panel to put on the last of the drawer slides. I decided yesterday when I was doing this that it would be a good idea to go back to my drawings, my plans, and look at the spacing for the drawers and mark out the location for those drawer slides before I put the thing together. Makes it a lot easier, right? And the drawer slides are already in place. All you need to do is, because there are a lot of them, right? There are 7 in each bank. So 14 drawers, 28 drawer slides. And then all you need to do is make the drawers and put the piece on the side. That's fairly easy because it's just 1 inch up from the bottom. That's the way I designed it. Anyway, so doing that. And I released that video this morning, my top 5. I just quickly made that yesterday, kind of on a whim. Actually, it was the idea I had was different. I was originally going to do put an excerpt of from every build that I did throughout the year, but then I figured that's going to be a lot of work, man, and I don't think the video is going to do well. So I just quickly made that up yesterday and posted it this morning, and we'll see how it does. I took every video that was there. Each of them were around 10 minutes, and I sped it up 500, 600%. And all I did was I took the voiceover from the beginning of the original video, and then I added music after. Not the thing that I typically like to do, but thought it would be interesting, So I did it. I just did it. So while I was watching that, not watching it, but after I posted that, I went to Instagram and I looked there, and I saw a post from Roy Solverson. He's Bellevue Woodshop, and he hasn't posted a video in a long time. He does interesting projects similar to what I do, except typically a lot more in depth. Like he's built table saws and CNC. And a router table that swings up, very cool, and an oscillating now, belt sander, that's very cool. And he posted a couple pictures on a new table saw he's working on, and I was thinking to myself that it would be really neat to see the progress that he's making on that saw as he's doing it, like even just short, 5-6 minute videos to show some of the stuff as you're working on it. And that's what's become a YouTube. Like if you get bigger, okay, it doesn't matter if you're smaller channel, 1,000 subscribers, whatever. But if you get bigger and you post that kind of stuff, it's gonna kill your channel, basically. Now, I still get comments to this day from people saying, well, I should put all my content on one channel. Like even these videos right here where I talk. And you know what? It would absolutely decimate my channel. All right? It would kill it because those videos wouldn't be viewed as much, and it would drag the channel down so that it didn't rate higher, and it wouldn't be recommended as much. So, I don't know. I was just thinking that it'd be nice to do that. So what I'm doing with this here is I'm as I'm filming it. I'm filming it in two ways. It's for the build video, which will be this Sunday coming up, unless something happens. This will be for the base cabinets alone, not the drawers that go in them, just the cabinets themselves. And I'm also filming it for a build course, all right? And I don't know, I was thinking that it would be interesting if I filmed it a third way as well, or even just edited some sections of the build course as I go along and post those videos somewhere. But I'm trying to think where I could do it. Like if I post them on Patreon, they basically don't get watched. The exclusive videos that I put on Patreon, nobody watches them. Like 30, 40 people watch them out of the 400 patrons I have. So that feels like it's kind of I don't know, kind of a waste of time. And then, like, the other option is to put them on my website in kind of a blog entry type thing. But then even fewer people will watch them there, I think. Well, it depends, okay? It depends on how I promote it, right? And then if I got rolling on this, then maybe it would build up a bit of a following as I go through, but no guarantees. But you know what? I think that's part of it. You got to try these things to find out how they're going to work. And so far, pretty much everything I've been trying hasn't worked. Okay? But, you know, that's the thought I had. And I may actually try it. The more likely approach would be to post them on my website. The only problem is I have to upload the video somewhere. And typically those kind of videos I upload to this channel. All right, so I leave them unlisted, and like the link would go on the website, so you can watch it from there. But, and the reason why I would put it on the website is because I make money from my website too. All right, and this is, you know what, surprise, surprise, this is my job, this is what I do for a living, so making money on it is very important. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I was talking about how I uploaded to this channel, and the problem is if it only gets 30 or 40 views, then it drags this channel down as well. So I don't know how it works for unlisted videos, but it seems to. It does seem to drag things down. Whenever you have a video that doesn't get very many views, it drags things down. So I don't know, just thinking of it, just random thoughts here this morning. All right, this is what I did this morning. And I thought I would talk to you about it. What do you think? What would you do? Are you interested in that kind of thing at all? Or is it a waste of my time? I know that some of you think that you know the answer to this, but do you really? Before you answer, think about it. Do you really know the answer? Do you have any actual experience doing this? Because not many people do, not successfully. So, I don't know. The things that work for other people, you know, you can't say, look at so-and-so, what he's doing. The things that work for other people don't necessarily work for everyone. All right? There are like a million different factors that come into play that will affect how something goes. So, I don't know. It's something I was thinking about. All right, now I'm going to get back to this and shut up.
Godfather, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
You can act like a man! What's the matter with you? Is this how you turn out a Hollywood Pinocchio that cries like a woman? What can I do? What can I do? What is that nonsense? Ridiculous.